Good morning, Gretchen. I hope that you will enjoy, inshallah, with our chemistry session, inshallah. Okay, and thanks for all participants with me today. Now, inshallah, we are going to make small revision for the lessons that we started before the previous session. That's called measuring matter. It's okay. So, chemists use the mole to count atoms, molecules, ions, and formula units. So, you have mole or atoms, number of moles, number of atoms, number of molecules, number of ions, and number of formula units. So how can we get them? Okay, first, the essential questions that you are going to study in this lesson, inshallah. Mazen, read please number 1.
Yes. How is mole used in indirectly count the number of particles of matter?
Okay, thanks. Abdullah Gurney.
طب ما يطلع لي مو طالع لي شيء.
يا عبد الله.
اي خلاص تو طلع.
ماشي يلا عبد الله.
What is a common everyday?
عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. هلا سليمان.
What is a common everyday counting unit to which the mole can be related?
It's okay, thanks. Number 3. Can you read عارف رفاع sorry رفاع?
Yes.
Can you read third question?
How can moles be converted to a number of representative particles and vice versa?
It's okay, thanks Rafa. So after that, the vocab that we studied before was molecule. Who can remember me what about molecule? What about molecule? Suleiman, can you tell me what about molecule?
Mr. Now I don't know. I need help.
But this concept molecule we studied before at the previous sessions, not today.
Sorry, but I forgot.
Forgot. It's okay. Abdullah Anazi. Okay, Abdullah Anazi.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what about molecule, if you know, please?
What?
What is the meaning of molecule? What is the meaning of molecule? Yes, molecule. I said before at the last session.
Can I answer?
Me, mister.
Wait for Abdullah. Wait, Majid.
خلوني أجاوب أصبر.
Hey, Abdullah. Try to remember.
أول كلمة وش صار؟
It.
لا يعني كلمة مو.
It is.
يعني مو هذه يعني كلمة.
Abdullah. Listen, Abdullah. Okay. Abdullah Gurney.
It's a group of 2 or more atoms held together.
It's okay, Abdullah. It's okay. Thanks, Mazen. Can you answer another answer? Can you answer me another answer?
That is, it is a particle made up of 2 or more atoms that are chemically bonded together.
Good. Thanks, Mazen. You can read well. Thanks, Mazen, for your reading. So it's the meaning of molecule. Molecule is a substance that consists of 2 or more atoms. Okay, may be similar or different. Maybe similar atoms or different atoms. And I said before that if they consist of similar atoms, so it will called as element molecule. But if it consists of different atoms, so it will be called as a compound molecule. It's okay, so it's difference between them. After that, the vocab that we are going to study, mole and Avogadro's number. Mole and what? And Avogadro's number. Hadith, what about the new vocab that we are going to study? Can you read them? Abdullah Hadith, can you read them? Allahu Akbar,
يا مستر.
Can you read them please?
molecules mol
Yes.
مستر ما عرفت آخر واحدة.
Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number.
Avogadro's number.
اللهم صل على النبي. Avogadro's number. It's okay. Thanks, Hadith. After that, the counting particles. How can we count particles? Chemists need a conventional method for accurately counting the number of atoms, molecules, or formula units of a substance. So, what's meant by mole? Mole is the SI base, okay, SI base that used to measure the amount of substance. So mole can be used to measure the amount of substance, okay? So what's meant by mole? Can you read? Rafa, what's meant by mole?
Yes, Mister. The mole is the SI based unit used to measure the amount of a substance.
Okay, thanks. Abdullah Al-Anazi, can you read it again?
The first one.
Mole.
The mole is the SISL base units used to measure the amount of a substance.
It's okay, thanks, Abba. After that, 1 mole is the amount of atoms in 12 grams of pure carbon 12, okay? And why carbon 12? Because carbon 12 is a known and common element in nature, okay? Common element in nature, and it's the has a medium weight. So mole is the amount of atoms in 12 grams. Why 12? Because the mass number of carbon was 12. So we can use mole is the amount of atoms in 12 grams of pure carbon 12, or 6.02 times 10 power 23 representative particles, which is any kind of particle, an atom, a molecule or formula unit, an electron, an ion, and etc. So 1 mole of atom, or 1 mole of molecule, or 1 mole of formula unit, or 1 mole of an electron, or 1 mole of an ion equal what? Equal Avogadro's number, which equals to 6.02 times 10 power 23. Understand till now?
Yes.
It's okay. So this number is called Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. Okay? Called what, Hadith? Called what?
Mister.
Called what, Hadith? Oh, I said it before. Called what? Avogadro's number.
Avogadro's number.
Avogadro's number. Called what?
Avogadro's number.
Okay, good. Sulaiman. Called what, Sulaiman? This number.
Avogadro's number.
Good. Avogadro's number. Abdullah Al-Anazi. Called what?
Yes.
Abdullah. Called what?
Avogadro's number.
Avogadro's number. Gurney.
Avogadro's number.
Okay, Mazen.
Avogadro's number.
It's okay. Thanks, guys. So it's called Avogadro's number. After that, this is the equation that we are going to change or to account the number of molecules or number of ions or number of formula units. Conversion factors must be used this. Conversion factor equal what? Equal 6.02 times 10 power 23 particles divided by mole. As this. Number of molecules, can we get it? How can we get it? Number of molecules, or number of atoms, or number of ions equal what? Equal number of mole times Avogadro's number. Equal what? Times number of mole times Avogadro's number. So how can we get it? How can we get the number of molecules? Number of molecules in 3.50 mole of saccharose. So this is number of mole. This is what? Number of mole.
Number of mole.
How can we get number of molecules? by this equation. Number of molecules equal number of mole times Avogadro's number. Equal what? Equal 2.11 times 10 power 24 molecules. Understand?
Yes.
So this is number of molecules. But how can we get the number of mole? This is number of represented particles. Yes. Number of moles called what? Number of moles called vice versa. Means what? Means converting between moles and particle. Okay, particles to moles. Use the inverse of Avogadro's number as a conversion factor. As this number of mole in saccharose equal what? Equal number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number, or number of ions divided by Avogadro's number, or number of formula units divided by Avogadro's number. So you must know this relation between them, between how can we get number of atoms, ions, molecules, or electrons, and how can we get number of moles. Understand this well?
Yes.
Any problem till now?
No.
Okay, this problem. Zinc ZN is used as a corrosion resistant coating on iron and steel. Okay, and steel. What do you need, Mazen? Mazen, what do you need, Mazen?
Mister, I'm sorry, but I have to go now. Can I go?
Go for Int or for a while?
No, for him, because my dad wants me.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
Thanks, Mazen, for the participation. Okay, thanks, Mazen. Good luck. So zinc is used as a corrosion resistant coating on iron and steel. It's also an essential trace element in your diet. Calculate the number of moles of zinc that contains this number atoms. So he wants what? He wants what? He wants number of moles. How can we get it? Number of moles. Okay. You are given the number of atoms of zinc and must find the equivalent number of moles. If you compare 4.50 times 10 power 24 atoms zinc with 6.02 times 10 power 23, which is Avogadro's number, the number of atoms in 1 mole, you can predict the answer should be less than 10 mole. How can we get it? First known, okay, number of atoms equal 4.50 times 10 power 24 atoms of zinc. 1 mole of zinc equal that we know Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 power 23 atoms, and this is a constant number. Okay, but unknown number of moles. Number of moles. How can we get it? Number of moles equal what? Use this equation that number of atoms equal number of moles divided by Avogadro's number. Okay, so number of moles equal what? Number of moles equal number of atoms divided by Avogadro's number. Number of moles equal what? Number of moles equal what? Equal
Number
of atoms divided by Avogadro's number, which equals what? Equals 7.48 mole zinc. It's okay? Any question till now? Understand well?
No. Yes.
Okay, guys. Okay. Both the number of zinc atoms and Avogadro's number have 3 significant figures. Therefore, the answer is expressed correctly with the 3 digits. The answer is less than 2 mole as predicted and has the correct unit moles. It's okay? So this is the lesson that we studied in this session. The review, essential questions that we studied before, how the mole used to indirectly count the number of particles of matter, what is the common everyday counting unit to which the mole can be related, how can moles be converted to number of representative particles, and vice versa. Okay, vocab that we studied in this session, mole and Avogadro's number. Understand me, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now inshallah we are going to solve some problems, okay, or some question through McGraw-Hill site. It's okay?
It's okay.
This is McGraw-Hill. Okay, Abdullah Gurney, can you read the first question?
Determine the number of atoms in 3.54 mole مدريش.
It's okay. He wants number of
Uh,
atoms. Okay, we solved one problem similar to it now. How can we get number of atoms? Number of atoms equal what?
wait, Mr. Wait.
Okay,
We
Try
multiply
to remember.
0.6.02 multiply by 10 or 23 over, right?
not over.
Uh,
Number of atoms, as we said before, equal number of moles times Avogadro's number. Times of number of moles times Avogadro's number. So you have this number of moles, 3.54. Okay, you can make this number. If you have a calculator now, you can make this number 3.54 times this number.
54
3 times 6.02
6.02
times 10 power 23.
10 power wait
23, which equals what?
صار ما يطلع عندي ما عندي باور 23.
Why? X. You
في
can
عندي
choose.
x باور 2.
No.
بس.
Not this. Not this.
ما عندي 23.
Okay, if you cancel the 23, okay, so what is the number multiplied 3.54 times 6.02?
اسوي ملتبلاي بس
Yeah.
3.45 ملتبلاي by 0.602
3.54 times 6.02 equals what?
equal 20.769.
Point 20 times 1 20.
20.769.
Yeah. 769. Okay, we will choose any answer as this, but you can review it again. Okay, but make multiplying 3.54 times 6.02 times 10 power 23. Okay, Abdullah. Okay, Abdullah. So, Abdullah Inazi, can you answer second question?
Yes. How many particles are present in one mole of particles?
Yeah, he wants number of particles. What is the rule of number of particles?
Number of particles.
Number
D.
of particles as what? Number of particles as what? Number of particles as
C,
number
Mr.
of moles.
C.
Okay, how many particles present in one mole? Particle, one mole.
C.
It's okay. We are going to know the best answer, but I
دقيقة يعني
don't
مو
think
صح ولا
that.
خطأ.
I don't think that because you
wait
work
مستر
you
D.
work
I
with
said D من أول.
D. It's okay, but I think that's false also. Okay, Abdullah, we are going to
مستر
know the best answer at the end.
دقيقة
فينيش عبد الله. محمد عارف. محمد رفاع, sorry. رفاع.
Yes.
Yes, question number 3, please.
Question number 3. Okay. If image represents one mole of the substance pictured, which contains the greatest amount of substance.
Yeah,
Yes.
great amount of substance. You have mercury, okay? You have molecule, atom, formula units.
Okay.
Or none, all amount are the same.
Okay, we have I think as molecule.
Molecule. Okay. Thanks.
Formula unit. Sorry, I meant
Formula. Okay. Number 4. Number 4. Abdullah Hadithi. يلا حديث. Where are you? Are you left? Okay, Sulaiman.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, Sulaiman. Read, please, the fourth question.
The secret molecule is a large and complex. What this, Mister?
Hydrogen, a molecule.
Hydrogen molecule. Bit of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. How many sucrose molecules in 0.5 moles of sucrose?
Yes.
I think
The
Mister.
saccharose molecule is a large and complex molecule built of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. How many saccharose molecule in 0.5? Okay, I said before that how can we get number of molecules? Number of molecules equal what? Did you remember?
No.
Number of molecules equal number of moles. Number of moles times Avogadro's number. Number of moles times Avogadro's number. So what is the number of moles? 0.5.
Yeah.
Okay, 0.5 times Avogadro's number. If you have a calculator now, can you make multiply 0.5 times 6.02 times 10 power 23 equal what?
1 minute, Mister.
I think it without calculator it will be 3.01 times 10 power 23 because it's half of Avogadro's number. If Avogadro's number was 6.02, it's Avogadro's number 6.02. What is the half of Avogadro's number? So it will be sure 3.01 times 10 power 23 without using any calculator.
Yes.
Okay, Suleiman.
Okay.
And can you make it? You have your calculator now?
Yeah, I have.
Okay. Make 0.5
0.5
multiply
multiply
6.02
6.02
times 10 power 23.
times
10 power 23.
Don't have the ball, Mister. And my phone.
It's not my phone. It must be. You must use calculator, not the telephone, because